friends, countrymen, lovers, I just needed to vent to you all because I feel as though I feel as though God and Mother Nature, Mother Earth, whatever the bitch is going by these days, I feel like they're playing a practical joke on me. It is a record 999,999 degrees outside. And I can't deal. Like, I just got out of the car and my entire body is drenched in sweat. Like, it looks like I got out of the car and I left my shadow in its seat, bitch. Like, nobody should have to go through this. Like, I feel like I'm in hell. I feel like the devil just sat on me and I'm like I'm laid directly underneath his asshole. And he ate like 35 pounds of ghost peppers and those Taco Bell fiery daredevil things and like 200 pounds of like fiery Burger King chicken fries. Like, bitch, I feel as though the joke's on me. Like, I feel like I've been thrown to the lowest level of hell, and I don't deserve this. Help! If you are outside of this heat wave, fucking help! Like, we are in trouble, bitch. Like, can you go to Siberia or I don't know, Greenland and find us some snow and we'll fast track jet this bitch and we'll fly snow over all these hot zones. Like, please, I'm dying. Why won't you bitches help?